Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the turtle dove does in your garden. So you can obtain it from the Christmas egg. This is what it looks like. Its abilities is that nearby Christmas type plants within range have increased variant chance. So basically I think what it means is that it'll have like more than like one variant. So for instance, there's snowy here. It's going to maybe apply the ornament one or the Arctic one, I assume. So just place it there and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!